everybody, welcome to our breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion box break number 100. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is NE206-663-126. That's NE206-663-126. Very good. Good luck, everybody. So the base card is Shea Weber for the Predators, 70 out of 299. You have a Mammoth swatch card, 12 out of 50 for the Blues of Vladimir Tarasenko. We have a patch auto card, 12 out of 99 for the Hurricanes of Michael Jordan. We have a jersey card, 90 out of 99 for the Leafs of Dion Phaneuf. Nice hit for the Panthers, patch auto rookie, 95 out of 199 of Jonathan Huberdeau. Let's finish off. We have a base card, 152 out of 299 for the Flyers of Jakub Voracek. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.